How to pair Phonak or AudioNova hearing aids to your TV connector. To get started, insert the larger end of the USB cable into the power supply unit and the smaller end of the USB cable into the free socket of your TV connector. Plug the power supply unit into a main socket and turn on at the wall. Next, you'll need to connect your TV connector to your television. This can be done by plugging the free end of a 3.5mm jack cable into the audio output socket at the back of your TV. Alternatively, you can use an optical cable. Just insert the larger end of the optical cable into the TV connector and the smaller end into the optical output socket at the back of your TV. You're now ready to begin the pairing process. To connect new hearing aids, make sure your aids are switched on and within 1 meter of the TV connector. Press the Connect button on the back of your TV connector. The indicator light will start blinking blue. Your device is now ready to pair. You'll hear a confirmation beep when your hearing aids have paired successfully. This may take up to 10 seconds. From now on, your hearing aids should connect to your TV connector automatically. If you're struggling to pair your hearing aids to your TV connector, visit the Phonak website where you can find troubleshooting tips and FAQs, plus downloadable resources and guides. You can email us at info@bootshearingcare.co.uk or talk with one of the team via live chat at bootshearingcare.com. We're happy to help.